The best software from BITZER. Your tool for trouble-free BITZER IQ product operation. On the BITZER website, you can download the best software free of charge. The best software provides detailed information about the IQ products. This makes it a useful development tool for integrating IQ products into a refrigeration system perfectly. The best software contains extensive documentation on the Modbus interfaces of the devices. Additionally, the user can see the new features and optimizations of the various firmware versions. The compressor is connected to the laptop directly with the best interface converter. Many IQ products are also compatible with communication by Bluetooth or Ethernet. When you launch the software, you will be prompted to select the right product and connection type. The software immediately provides a detailed overview of the parameters of the compressor. The configuration screen displays all of the parameters for configuring each IQ product. The compressors are pre-configured to the greatest possible extent in the factory. Most of the time, only the refrigerant has to be selected. The settings are then transferred to the device. The device can now be commissioned and monitored using the best software. Best is also available as an app for Android and iOS. It features user-friendly Bluetooth connectivity and can have multiple compressors in its overview at once. Like the Windows version, the detailed view features the Overview, Monitoring, Configuration, and Alarms tabs. In the event of a fault, Alarm Tooltips make troubleshooting easier. This makes it possible for the user to resolve numerous incidents independently with ease. The data log can be downloaded and shared with colleagues via My BITZER and the BITZER Cloud for evaluation. Be it development, commissioning, or service, the best software provides all-round support to ensure that your refrigeration system runs flawlessly.